Hey bunnies, welcome to another video. For today's video, we're going to be doing an unboxing of sorts and a review of sorts, and I feel like my voice left me for a second there, excuse me. The item we're going to be showing off are some furry slides, some furry house slippers from FurrToes.com. These shoes were sent to me and I'm here to give you my honest opinion. So the shoes came via USPS, you know, the regular USPS packaging. I've been wearing these shoes, I want to say, for maybe a month now, right? Maybe less, I don't know, but I want to say like a month because I feel like I live in them at this point. I have left my house and moved into these shoes. That's how comfortable they are. I do not wear these outside. These are not for outside. Do not wear these outside, okay? Did I say don't wear them outside? There you go. So they came in this, you know me and the packaging. Let me whip my hair back. All right, so it came in this gorgeous packaging, the gorgeous Ziploc bag that has the FurrToes.com website on the front. When you slide that open, you get a gorgeous satin bag. I don't know if all the colors, if it comes in different colors, I should say, or if all of them come in this green color, but it will come in a satin pouch, again with the FurrToes logo on the front, and then the white satin drawstring. I love this. It feels so luxurious. I feel like, you know, if we're supposed to go for like vacation or some type of holiday or something, the perfect way to carry my FurrToes slides would be in this. I've actually made a FurrToes purchase for my 30th birthday. That was my gift to myself a little bit before my birthday actually. So 3 years ago, or let's say 2.5 years ago, I bought them. I believe I got them on sale as well. She was running a sale. It is woman owned, it is black owned, it is Jamaican owned. Yes, shout out to you, girl. She did have a sale going on those, and I believe I paid $80 for them. It's black and beige. I have a picture. I'll show a picture of them. But I literally wore them for all of last year, all of the year before, literally 2 years straight, until I couldn't wear them anymore, until the bottom of the shoes start splitting into like, and I still have them. Like I literally, they're at my door right now, right? But that's not what the video is about. So I do have a relationship, shout out to me, with Miss FurrToes herself. So again, back to these. These are her newest ones that came out. She reached out to me and she was like, babes, I want to send these to you. And I'm like, honey, send me all the shoes, okay? The color I got were the beige ones, nude, tan, cream, camel, whatever you want to call it. This is them right here. Super, super furry. Now, when I first got them, I was like, oh my gosh, they look like bears, okay? What I will say is that she kind of upgraded from the last time I, got mine. Inside of the shoe, in the sole, it will come with the FurrToes logo right there, looking so gorgeous. I love that for her. I am a true size 9, so I got these in a 9 from toe to heel. It fits perfectly. There is a little bit of a snug right here, so if you were to size up one more, I feel like that you'd have more comfort there, but I do have more of a wider foot, so, or I believe I have a wider foot. So if you have a narrow foot, stick with what you have. Then again, having been wearing it for a while, it did kind of loosen up. It's the most comfortable pair of shoes ever. Super, super fluffy. When you first get it, your curls might be a little bit tighter than this. Like I had to play with it. And the more you wear it, the more you play with it, the looser the quote-unquote curls will become. It does have a rubber sole. Again, it is a true size 9. I absolutely love it. I'm gonna put them on and then we're gonna do a little video of my feet. So for all the boys out there, or the girls, who want to see my toes, we're about to do that right now. So as you'll see in the clip, it does have a little bit of a lift to it. I don't know if you noticed that having them on now, I'm a little bit higher than I was before. Go down. See, it's like a half of an inch of a difference there. So that's them on the side. Nice little side profile. Front. Gorgeous. Oh. That's the back. That's under. And the top. These are super, super comfortable. 10 out of 10. Would recommend. Go ahead, grab yourself some of these cute little babies. They come in a bunch of different colors, so you don't have to go with these. I like having neutrals, okay, because they can go with everything, including other neutrals. Yeah, so that's that. If you have any questions for me, leave them in the comment section below. If you're gonna grab some, let me know in the comment section. If you have some, or if you've purchased from FurrToes.com before, let me know in the comment section below. Thank you guys so much for watching. Until next time, peace sign and kissy face. Bye.